video kicks off at the Yancheng test site, setting up a brutal spiral rollover test. The subject is the highly anticipated Aistaland GT7, a new generation intelligent electric vehicle born from a heavy-hitting collaboration between GAC Group and Huawei. The obstacle is a custom steel ramp measuring 4.7 meters long and 1.95 meters high, designed to force a one-sided lift and rollover. Before the vehicle even lands, its sensors detect the inevitable rollover. In a split second, the seatbelts aggressively pre-tension to lock the occupants in place, while the side curtain and far side airbags deploy mid-air to cushion the impending blow. The GT7 slams down violently on its right front wheel, shedding its tire and trim as it barrel rolls over the asphalt before coming to rest. Despite the massive impact, the doors can be opened normally from the outside thanks to a collision auto unlock feature. This is possible because of the GT7's cage structure, which consists of over 90% high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, heavily reinforced by 2,200 megapascal aviation-grade hot-formed steel in critical areas like the A and B pillars. The footage then transitions to a terrifying secondary frontal collision test, where a 2-ton vehicle speeds in at 65 kilometers per hour and smashes directly into the GT7. Even after enduring a catastrophic rollover followed by a high-speed collision, the A, B, and C pillars show absolutely zero structural failure. This video isn't just marketing. It's proof that the GT7 can take a beating and protect what's inside. In a sea of flashy EVs, Aistaland is betting big on real-world toughness combined with cutting-edge tech.